Hello friends, welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is tasty and healthy amaranthus stir fry, also known as cheerathoran in Malayalam. Goes well with rice. So let's start the preparation. Here I have taken 2 bunches of amaranthus leaves. Wash it well with salt water. Chop it finely and keep it aside. Now heat pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heat, add finely chopped onions. I have taken 2 medium size onion. Saute it and cook it in medium flame until it turns translucent. Once the onion turns translucent, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute it. Now add finely chopped amaranth leaves. Close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Now take a mixer jar, add 1/3 cup of coconut pieces. You can also use shredded coconut. Add small piece of onion and 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 4 green chillies. Blend all the ingredients coarsely without adding water. Now the coconut mixture is ready. After 5 minutes, I think the amaranthus leaves have cooked well. Give a stir. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir it again. Now add blended coconut mixture. Fry it for 3 minutes in low flame until the raw smell goes. The tasty stir fry is almost done. Try out the recipe, friends. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's cookbook for more videos.